Residents of Shakhoikuna village have lodged a formal complaint regarding the alleged mismanagement of the RIDF 2021-2022 Nabard scheme, citing concerns raised in an RTI report by a local individual. In response, Ribhoi District Deputy Commissioner has directed the magistrate to investigate the claims and assess ongoing work in the village. Speaking to the media, Barnabas Murring expressed gratitude for the prompt action by the DC's office and stated that the community is hopeful for a fair resolution. However, Jermel Makri, a local beneficiary under the scheme, criticized delays in inspection and accused the village headman of misdirecting workers. Villagers warned that they will continue to advocate for their rights if the investigation does not bring satisfactory results.
Ba kajing simkhia jong EDC kajing pha bat jong ibanwan inquiry kumne kin sale ya ka ba day hok bat ya ka ba bhae bat ya ka ba shai ba kin long inquiry hak ba long ki ba day hok ban yo ya scheme kamot ai kin yo ya kata ka tinmentoi ka bakidi ban yo nak benta jong kajing up jing stay barok chisni mahanta la poi hadu kat no bajie chu la poi cha ar bajie duna tengi la type ni up stay jaka ban kin wan sta cha jaka ban pentre boklam pentre kilit chawai kat kum jing perkhat Cunga imat ba de nakajing le jong rumah chnong namar ba uyalam sa tagi jika gi beladep tre sa jika gi mempetre uklam yalam.
In continuation of our coverage in the run-up